Hey, it's Kaleef Williams, dad of 3 beautiful daughters, and someone who knows what it's like to push through broke seasons. Because here's the truth: when the money's not there, motivation usually disappears right behind it. But if you learn how to stay grounded when you're broke, that's when the comeback really starts. When you're broke, everything feels heavier. The bill, the noise, even your thoughts. You wake up already behind and you start believing you're the problem. But you're not the problem. You're just in a process. What you're feeling is pressure, not punishment. The pressure is showing you something needs to shift in how you think, how you plan, and what you expect from yourself. Most people shut down when money gets tight. They avoid facing their numbers, they numb out, they stop building. But staying broke becomes a habit when you stop moving. You can't wait for motivation to show up, guys. You have to create it by taking small steps daily. That's $20 saved. That's one new skill learned. That's one idea actually written down. Motivation isn't about hype. It's about direction. The broke version of you isn't your final form. It's your foundation. When I started my online business, I was tired, working 24-hour shifts at times, and still showing up for my daughters. I didn't start because I had it all figured out, though. I started because I refused to stay where I was. That's what you need to tap into. Not how fast can I make money, but how can I stay consistent till it shows up. If this hits you, take it as a sign to stop waiting for perfect timing. You already have what it takes to rebuild from where you are. And if you're ready for a system that helps you build daily income online, even while working a job, go to getdailypayments.com. I'll link it in the description below as well. That's where I show you exactly how to start.